What's going on, everyone? Got a 2019 Subaru Forester. We're gonna check the cabin air filter on this car. So if you want to change it, this is a good little guide, but we're gonna open up the glove box because we're gonna need to remove the glove box door. It's very simple. You don't need any tools. We're just gonna take this damper right here and disconnect it. We're gonna just pull on it like that. Now there's these stoppers that prevent the glove box from opening up too far. We're just gonna push the glove box in like that, both sides, and then the glove box will come down. This one's a little more difficult. This side here. Okay. Now, once you pull this glove box down, you can just pull the door right off. Okay, it's going to come right off the hinges, just like this, so we can get it out of our way. So the cabin filter is in here. Take this door off here. There's a clip here that we're going to push. We're going to push here, push here, push here. We can take this off. All right, so we just pull the filter out. Check out how dirty it is. It's not too bad. It's pretty good. If you need one, I'm going to leave a link in the description box below. We'll give you the part number and take it to Amazon if you want to get one of these filters, but we're going to wait an oil change or two before we replace this one. When you get your new one, you just stick it back in there, and get your door, and snap it right back on, just like that. And then we can hook up the glove box door, just put it on its hinges like that, and then just close it. And then get to the damper over here, and you just click this guy back on, and you're all done. Hope the video was helpful. If it was, appreciate it if you'd like and subscribe.